right, good morning, everyone, and welcome to the groundbreaking of Monroe Gardens, a new affordable housing development on the site of the former A.L. Krohn public housing built in 1962. A special welcome to the former residents of A.L. Krohn Homes. We're so happy to have you here breaking ground on a project that you named and helped design. This is Phoenix Housing's first redevelopment using HUD's Rental Assistance Demonstration Program. This program is known as RAD and allows public housing authorities to convert obsolete public housing units into Section 8 project-based voucher units. This allows housing authorities to create more modern, energy-efficient, and sustainable housing, and also provides the residents with the opportunity to take their voucher and move on after a year should they choose to live somewhere else. These projects take a very long time to plan, design, and fund. We received HUD approval for the RAD conversion in February of 2017, and we received our low-income housing tax credit funding from the Arizona Department of Housing in June of 2018. This is it's been a long time coming, and we're very excited to be here finally for this. This is a co-development project, meaning we have a developer partner who's actually building this housing, and the partner is Gorman Company. They have been with us this whole time from the very beginning when we were awarded RAD all the way through the Low-Income Housing Tax Credit Award and through design and now construction. So you'll hear more from Gorman later, and they'll talk about their partnership with us. But first, I want to be very clear that none of this kind of work can be done without the commitment and support of our Phoenix Mayor and City Council. We are in District 8, and before she was mayor, Kate Gallego was our District 8 councilwoman, and she always looked out for our residents' well-being and always supported almost anything we wanted to try to assist our residents and to create better housing and better opportunities for them. She's been with us and supported this redevelopment from the very beginning, and we're so happy to have her here today. Please welcome Mayor Kate Gallego.
Thank you so much, Cindy. Thank you for your leadership in pushing us to build these great projects. I am excited to be here today as we break ground on Monroe Gardens Apartments in the Eastlake community. Thank you and congratulations to the neighbors for helping develop this vision. Monroe Gardens is a beautiful name, and we are excited to break ground, but then see people move into this community, which was designed with and by the residents. You're going to learn a little bit about this wonderful community, but it will be great energy-efficient apartments, have many amenities, including a great playground for our children, and our residents really wanted that type of inclusive community. Thank you to the many stakeholders who collaborated and worked together to make this project a success. We are longtime partners with Gorman and appreciate the great work they have done to build high-quality communities. There is not one person here today who wouldn't argue that Phoenix doesn't need more affordable housing. We do, and we need it quickly. We are the fastest growing city in the country, and with this growth, we have seen tremendous uptick in the cost of homeownership and our rent prices. Our community cannot continue to thrive if our residents cannot afford a roof over their head. As a city, we are taking a multi-pronged approach to this problem. We have hired a housing czar who is leveraging the city's resources and trying to figure out everything we can do to develop affordable housing. In the most recent budget, we increased the resources that go to keeping people in their homes, like eviction prevention. The best way to stop homelessness is to ensure it never happens in the first place. We have helped local nonprofits to leverage tax credits for homes and other resources, multiplying our reach through the community. New affordable housing complexes are going up along the light rail corridors so that residents can have easier access to school, work, healthcare, and more. This complex is in the light rail corridor, and our residents will be able to benefit from that wonderful network, which includes our bus system. Voters overwhelmingly supported our light rail system in this August election, and people who need housing will benefit from the vision of the Phoenix voters. The city has opened 361 new affordable housing units in the last 18 months, and will open another 248 in the next year. We have 455 units that are beginning construction, including the great 78 units of modern housing that we are celebrating here today. The new Monroe Gardens will turn 38 units of outdated public housing into 78 wonderful, strong units. Residents will have access to outdoor amenities that include ramadas, barbecue grills, and a lot of community space. It's fun to imagine the memories that people will make at this community as you celebrate special occasions and get to know new friends. The redevelopment of this housing property will benefit the residents, the neighborhood, the city. with safe, new, affordable housing, helping local businesses, and assisting in spurring investment in the neighborhood. The opening of these units brings us one step closer to becoming the city we want for ourselves, our children, and our future. I assure you that our city, and our city council understands the affordable housing issue and is making the issue a priority. Because we know that an apartment is more than a place to lay your head, it's a place to build your dreams. Thank you all for being here today to celebrate the grand opening of the Monroe Gardens Apartments. Congratulations to all who have worked hard to get us to this important day.
I also want to thank the residents of the Eastlake community. They have always welcomed our housing communities and our residents into their neighborhood, and we are proud to be a member of this significant historic neighborhood here in Eastlake. I said earlier that our co-developers, Gorman Company, have been with us from the very beginning. That includes attending all the resident and community meetings to talk about the design and the construction of this project. As you can see by the pictures, Gorman's team has been very thoughtful in designing a beautiful community that reflects the historic significance of the neighborhood, including the neighborhood's new theme, the Soul of Phoenix. And they've also included design elements specifically requested by our residents. We are very blessed to have a nationally acclaimed co-developer who really cares about about the community that they serve. Please welcome Sally Schwen, Arizona Market President of Gorman Company.
Thank you, Cindy. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for coming out in this chilly Arizona morning to celebrate this groundbreaking. On behalf of Gorman and our entire team, we're excited about this special day. It's hard to believe that just 3 short months ago, this project had 50-year-old obsolete housing on it. And now, as you can see, it's making huge progress. We're pouring slabs. It's every time we come out week to week, there's incredible progress. So we're just thrilled of what the impact it's going to be to this Eastlake neighborhood. We will be turning the 38 units into 78 units of affordable housing. A number of the original residents of the project will be relocating back to the property, and then we'll have 40 additional families that will be making this their home. As Cindy mentioned, the RAD program has enabled public-private partnerships such as our relationship with City of Phoenix to remove units from the public housing system and place them into long-term 20-year project-based Section 8 subsidy program. This provides the ability for projects such as this to be leveraged with private and public financing for the purpose of the redevelopment. The Monroe Gardens property will consist of 3 stories. We'll be serving residents with AMIs of 40, 50, and 60%, and they'll be comprised of 1 through 5 bedroom units. We will be having the community space with a multi-purpose room for resident services, a computer lab, kitchen, playground, barbecues with benches, and as you can see, we're walking distance to the light rail, and we're only a short drive to downtown Phoenix, and obviously all the public transit system with the freeways. So with that, I'd like to thank all of our partners. Without them, we couldn't have made any of this possible. In addition to the great relationship as a co-development partner with the City of Phoenix, we need to thank the Raza Development Fund, U.S. Bank, the Arizona Department of Housing, the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, and everybody that's put so many hours into this project over the last 2 years so far. I'd also like to introduce our team from Gorman Company. We've got our great superintendents in the back. We've got JD and Jason Pinney, who are keeping this project right on track. We're actually scheduled to open this project at the end of this year, so we're on a very fast-paced construction schedule. Also want to recognize Pete Meyer. He's our lead architect for Arizona. He's done a fantastic job with the design of this project, as Cindy said, incorporating all the features that the community has requested, and it's just going to be absolutely a beautiful project. Mark Beyer, he provides our landscape, so I'd like to give him a shout out. And Steve Elliott has flown all the way in from Wisconsin. He's our real estate counsel, and to him this is like super nice weather, so he thinks it's fantastic. And then, of course, I want to recognize Brian Swanton, the president and CEO. He actually started this endeavor with the City of Phoenix, and thank you, Brian. It's a great opportunity to step in and help drive this with the city. So with that, I also want to give a quick shout out to a couple of city staff, if that's okay, that we work with day to day. Brad and Dan and Angela. We have calls numerous times a week, so we're all very close-knit team, and so we really appreciate the partnership there. So with that, thank you guys for coming.
All right, well, thank you. Well, Sally kind of stole all my thunder with thanking the partners, so I don't have to repeat that, but thank you. I do want to mention Lisk is also here in the audience today, so thank you, Lisk, as another partner, always helping us out with transportation-related TOD development around the light rail. I want to also acknowledge the rest of the city staff that are here. They're all involved, from planning to financing to design and community meetings around that, and relocation of the residents, which is a very time-consuming process, but giving the residents a choice of where to live, and so important, and then making sure we track them so that they can come back. So all the residents that formerly lived here have been relocated to other housing of their choice, and then they all have first priority to come back. So we're looking forward to having them back at the end of 2020 when we have a grand opening here. But all city staff, would you guys please stand up and be acknowledged? Thank you for all the work you've done to get us here. Thank you, city housing staff. Thank you.